Guten Tag, YouTube. This is Lego Nookie 101 speaking. Now, today, I will not be reviewing an actual Bionicle set. I will be reviewing a MOC that I created. And in case you don't know, MOC stands for My Own Creation, so it's pretty much an acronym. So, anyways, today's MOC review is Lutoru, Master of Sound. And as you can see, he actually turns into a supersonic jet. The thing is, I actually decided to do this instead of giving them an arm action because I didn't have the pieces to do so. But anyways, this is his jet mode. Very sleek with the long wings. These blue things, which I guess you could say are secondary thrusters, even though the hoses are nearby, so I guess they're like lasers of some kind. These can actually be posed, and these are the engines in case you don't know. And we've also got some speakers going on the thighs, which I think best fit his sound elemental matrix. So yeah, that's pretty much all that is to his vehicle mode. Oh, in case you're wondering what these are, those are just connectors for the combination with myself MOC's Dragon mode, which I'll get to later. So yeah, front view, side view, back view, and you can kind of see the head a little bit, even though heads aren't supposed to show in vehicle mode. But yeah, I guess the face is ignorable unless you look at the bottom, which I'm probably not going to show. So, to convert this guy into its robot mode, just simply, well, we'll start with the front of the vehicle. Just unfold the legs, rotate the feet so that the toes are facing forward, and stand them up. Well, I'll just leave them right there for now. So next, fold these engine bits down, the wings, the wing tips around, secure this. Then take both wings and flip the head around. Then simply take the wings and connect them using this black peg. And then position the engines like this. Fold this entire wing section down. Next, bring the arms out and turn the wrist around. And finally, take the chest and close it up to hide the connectors. So yeah, that's pretty much his robot mode. Kind of familiar color scheme if you were a Hero Factory fan, with the black and the blue and the transparent blue. You know, breakout stringer. You can also tell by his mask. Like, assigned to your stringer's helmet because it best fit Lutoru's elemental matrix with the speaker up here. So yeah, front view, side view, back view. And I guess if you want with the engines, you can simply hold them down like this to increase the speed. And that's actually one of his powers, super speed. And these jet engines actually provide him with that speed. The first weapons got these blue swords. The design itself was introduced in Hero Factory Brain Attack. I'm not sure if the color was originally introduced in the Chima or Hero Factory, but I'm not sure. And actually, this is pretty cool. Take the engines, fold them down, and then split the wings and then fiddle with them a bit so that the armor is facing back and the tips are facing out. I guess now we've got kind of a flight mode going on here. And in case you're wondering how the torso goes together, I use the broad torso up here, and then, sorry, that's Noki. And then I use this narrow torso down here to design the torso. In case you're wondering how this guy goes together. And because of when whoops. So, because of what I did with the head, the only way to get the mask off is if you pull him out. But the thing is, he's like all the Toho, he's still vulnerable to skull spiders. Just simply gotta attach these pegs into these axle holes, sides of the head. It does wobble a little bit, but that's okay. So we get the mask back on. So, yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say here for Lutoru. Again, this is, in case you don't know, this is one of my first Bionicle MOCs. I originally designed this guy on LDD. Then, once Hero Factory ended, I pretty much disassembled all my Hero Factory sets and then decided to bring those creations to life. So, yeah. The 5 other Toho that I designed along with Lutoru are Kamina, Hiyami, Takanuba, yes, I brought him back, Kisoku, and Atomo. Now, things with Takanuba is that he might not, his color scheme you might not be familiar with. I mean, it's still monochromatic and he's still got the same element. You know, Takanuba was the original Toho of Light. And I'll explain the elements of the other Toho when I review those. So, yeah. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I will show off the combination feature later. So, yeah. This is like a Noki 101 saying, Auf Wiedersehen, and Beast Morgan.